Impressive construction technologies that use different types of materials, techniques, and equipment, which allow reducing the cost and time required for the construction of infrastructures. These are the 10 most amazing construction technologies in the world. Number 10. Curb roller drum. It is a rotating metal drum used in the construction of concrete floors. It measures 7.3 meters in length by 1.3 meters in diameter and weighs 450 kilograms. It is made of steel and works with a hydraulic drive provided by a skid steer. This metal drum has been used to create a 60 centimeter deep concrete lining in a 480 meter long trench. This construction system saves costs by reducing execution time and the labor required. The Curb Roller Manufacturing Company manufactures metal drums of different types and sizes according to the needs of each project. Number 9. Bubble Deck. It is an innovative construction system with plastic spheres that has been developed in Denmark. It is designed to carry out fast and safe constructions, reducing the weight and the amount of concrete needed. Hollow spheres of recycled plastic are used that are inserted between steel meshes. The company prepares prefabricated modules that are delivered in construction. Using these spheres, 1 kilogram of plastic replaces 100 kilograms of concrete. This allows to save 50% of materials and increase the space between the columns of the constructions. This system can be used in all types of constructions, such as residential buildings or industrial buildings. Number 8. Lock Block Zipper Truck System. It is a tunnel construction system with concrete blocks that has been developed in Canada. It works by joining the concrete blocks using a construction truck as support. Concrete blocks are designed to fit together without the need to add cement. The truck has small wheels that slide inside the tunnel and allow it to move forward as the tunnel is finished. This system allows to create tunnels with openings quickly and safely. This tunnel can be used as a mining tunnel or a storage vault with top access. Number 7. Fabriform Concrete. It is a channel lining system that has been developed by a United States company. It uses specially designed fabric as a coating for the concrete. The fabric is filled with high-resistance fluid concrete that adapts to the pattern of the fabric, creating a uniform design. Fabric liner protects concrete from exposure to harsh conditions. It can be used as a lining for channels or deposits to reduce the infiltration or exfiltration of chemical fluids or debris. This system makes it possible to make resistant and safe coatings quickly and profitably, reducing construction time and cost. Number 6. Concrete Canvas. It is a canal lining system that has been developed by a United Kingdom company. It is designed to adapt to soil conditions, resists all weather conditions, and increases soil stability. It can be used in a wide range of applications such as erosion control, water containment, or shelter construction. It is made of a special mixture of cement, fibers, and plastic. The material is thin, durable, waterproof, and environmentally friendly. This system allows a concrete construction to be carried out quickly and easily, which has a 120-year guarantee for erosion control. Number 5. FP McCann Precast Concrete. It is a construction system with precast concrete that has been developed in the United Kingdom. This system uses highly resistant and durable concrete blocks which have their own anchoring system. These walls are designed to provide thermal and acoustic insulation and fire resistance. The company manufactures different types of concrete blocks with multiple finishes that can be customized for each project. Concrete block structures can be used to make different types of constructions, such as industrial buildings or infrastructures. This construction system allows a quick and easy installation, which reduces construction costs and time. Number 4. Kluesberg Moduline. It is a system of modular construction of buildings that has been developed by a company from Germany. The prefabricated modules are designed to minimize the need for maintenance and can be used for the construction of homes, offices, or educational centers. The modules can be made of steel or wood, and their thermal insulation optimizes energy efficiency. The company can manufacture customized modules according to the needs of each client, and they can be adjusted or extended with extensions later. This modular construction system significantly reduces construction time and allows for better planning regarding the cost and delivery time of the building. Number 3. Boxable Casita. It is a 35 square meter prefabricated mini house that has been developed in the United States. It is developed in a 2.5 meter long container that is transported by truck. It is constructed of durable materials and can be installed anywhere in 1 hour. It is designed to achieve maximum energy efficiency and to optimize the available space. This house is resistant to fire, floods, and strong winds. It is equipped with all the necessary appliances, heating, and air conditioning. This prefabricated house allows you to have a home quickly and easily and has an approximate price of $50,000. 2. Binny shells. It is a construction method that uses low-pressure air to create monolithic reinforced concrete structures. After inflating the pneumoform structure, reinforcing bars are installed and shotcrete is added. When the concrete has dried, the structure is deflated and removed for reuse. The structure is highly resistant to natural disasters such as earthquakes, strong winds, or fires. This method allows to build large buildings with interior spaces quickly and efficiently, which can be used as residential or commercial buildings. It also reduces the need for labor, execution time, and the total cost of construction. Number 1. Cobod Bod 2. It is a construction 3D printer that has been manufactured in Germany. It can be installed anywhere, and its dimensions are adapted to the size of each project. Its structure is made of high-strength steel and weighs 5.3 tons. It has a maximum printing speed of up to 1 meter per second and allows you to create different types of wall finishes. 4 people are needed to operate it, and it is equipped with 2 cameras on the head that allow to supervise the work. It can print layers 10 centimeters wide and 4 centimeters high. This machine can print houses with different materials such as concrete or cement, even on uneven surfaces. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment saying about what other types of technologies you would like to see a new video about. If you like this video, please leave a like and share it.